Hello and welcome to today's tutorial of Jingle Bells for our guitar. This is a simple tutorial with easy strumming patterns and tips for how to do the chord switches. This is a part of a series of 12 Christmas songs that I'm teaching, so I'll make sure and link them all together down below if you're interested in learning more. I've also made a printable PDF to follow along with, so if you're interested in that, I've also added information down below. Now for Jingle Bells, we're going to need chords D, G, A, and E7. The song also calls for an A7, but if you're thinking this is too many chords already, then just play them all as A's. So you can do the A7 or just do everything as A's. The singing note is when you're holding a D chord, if you pick on your G string. Dashing, dashing, there it is. Dashing through the snow. And now for strumming. My beginners, you're going to strum on beat 1 and count to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Every time you see a chord, just do this. Because for you, you're focusing on switching in time. So try your best to always land beat 1. It's okay if you're moving early, okay? Now if you think, okay, I've got this, like I can do a little bit more, then for you, you're going to do down, 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 up, down, 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 up. 2, 3, 4, and 1, 2, 3, 4. If you can master that, then move on to the next one, which is down, down, up, up, down, up, down. This is kind of a really festive little strumming pattern. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. If you can do more than that, then when you get to the chorus, add that percussive beat on 2 and 4. Jingle bells, jingle bells. And if you can add that, it teaches people or it shows people where to clap. So now let's talk about our chords in the verse. We have D chord for 3 bars or 3 beat ones, right? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, and switch to G. Stay on G for one more. 2 A7s. 3, 4, and back home to D. And the next section is almost the same, so let's go back to 3 more D's. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. G chord. 1 more G chord. Here's an A to A7. And now our ending has a D with a slash. And that just means give it a single strum. And then there's an A7 with a slash. So we're still going to count to 4. So let me teach you how these fit. You're going to do D strum, wait, A7 strum, wait. So look up. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these stops are called rests. So, I mean, I don't know if it's like a genuine rest because the strings are still technically ringing, but you're going to give that space there. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then you go into the chorus. Jingle bells, jingle bells. So let's try and play through a verse. I'm not going to sing because I'm going to be telling you which chord to play. But if you can sing, go for it. So let's play the whole verse. And remember, strum at your level. Here we go. 1, 2, verse 2. Ready, go. 2, 3, switch to G. G again. A7. A7 again. Back home to D. Start over. La, la, D. La, D again. La, G. La, G again. A. A7. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, let's do that last line because I'm thinking that D strum, like strum, pause, may have caught a few of us off guard. So let's do that last line of what fun it is to write. Here we go at the G. 1, 2, breathe. 1, 2, ready, go. 2, on one last time. I'll go a little bit slower. 1, 2, 1, 2, G, go. Let us turn and sing song tonight. Oh. If you can use the lyrics to guide you on those strums, the D is on night and the A7 is on tonight. Oh, jingle bells. Okay, so now we're at the chorus and we have 2 D chords to start off. And then we have D and G in brackets. And so those chords are in brackets because they're special. They're gonna have their own strumming pattern inside the brackets that is not the same. So inside the brackets, we wanna do down, down, up, down, down, up. Let me show you how it fits in the line. So we have the beginning of the chorus is down, down, up, down, up, and again, down, down, up. And now in the brackets, down, up, down, down, up, down, down, up, down. Now, if you're looking at me thinking, Bern, I can't strum that fast, then what you do is the exact same thing as we did at the end of the verse, where we had a strum, wait, So you're just gonna do strum, rest, and come back to whatever strumming pattern you've chosen. So let me show you that the easy way. 1, 2, 1, 2, chorus. Jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun! And the rest is fine. So let's keep moving. We have a G, and then a D, and now hold that D. And now let go of the middle and the ring, or only hold on with your index. Only hold on with your index and slide that to the first fret. Look, look, look. We're staying on the same string. And now you can add your middle finger for E7. So from your D, your index is already on the string you need it to be. I was like, wait, I need to double check that. So we have G, and then that D, let's slide on the index, and A7. And then the next few lines are, or the next phrases are about the same. We have D again, and D, the brackets, and D, G, D, A7. Okay, so let's try and play through the chorus. Let's try it. You can do it. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2, coro. D, D, brackets, D, G, D. Next part, G, D, E7, A7, D. Jingle bells, jingle bells, go all the way. Oh, what fun it is to run a wondrous open sleigh. At this point, you've learned everything that you need to play the whole song. So let's do a play along together. But really quickly, first I'm going to mention the guitar that I'm playing. This is made by Guitarras Romero, and it is a gorgeous parlor-sized guitar. I'm going to link it down below if you're interested in getting something that is high quality, beautiful sounding, full-size neck, even though the body is much smaller. So even though the body is much more compact, you still have all the space you need on the neck to play your favorite classical pieces. All right, let's do our playthrough of a verse and chorus. Here we go. 1, 2, 1, 2. You can do it. Go. Crashing through the snow, the one-horse open sleigh. O'er the fields we go, laughing all the making spirits bright. What fun it is to ride and sing, singing songs tonight. Oh, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride one horse open sleigh. Hey, jingle bells, jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride one horse open sleigh. Now, if you made it to this far in the video, let me give you some bonus tips. For a magical ending, you're going to end on a chorus like we just did, but you're going to elongate or prolong your time on the A7. Let me show you. Oh, what fun it is to ride here. One horse open sleigh. And if you want some extra cheesy magic, after your D chord, add an A7 and then one final D. Let me show you how that feels. From the G. 1, 2, 1, 2, ready. Oh, what fun it is to ride one horse open sleigh. Thank you so much for watching today's video. If you're interested in getting the chord sheet that has the chord charts, the singing note, the strumming pattern, and a few more tips, I'll link that down below. It's on my Patreon community. Patreon is basically a way for you to support the artists that you like, and in exchange for that support, we give you things. So for me, my fee is $5 a month, and I do live lessons. I offer exclusive courses. I have PDFs and meetups, like in-person meetups. So, and then tomorrow, as of the recording of this, we're going to do a string changing party where we can change our strings together via Zoom, and then you can ask questions or get any help through the process. So we do fun things like that. I hope that you'll join us. And yeah, I'll see you for the next video. Ciao!